Welcome back again to this course, and today we are going to take a look at the different headings and paragraphs which you can use in the HTML document. So first of all, I'm going to create a new folder just to keep everything organized. Headings and paragraphs. Okay, so I'll go inside and I'll right click, go to new and create a new text document, and I will write index.html. So we have this HTML web page, and since it's empty because we haven't done anything to it yet, so I'll just go ahead and open it with brackets. And okay, so now we have open bracket and it's giving me an error regarding some previous matter. That's not a problem. So we have this index.html now open in bracket. So let's go ahead and type all the basic requirements. Doc type HTML. You pretty much need to type these every time you want to create a new web page. So HTML, and then heading, and now the title, and let's write headings and paragraphs. And after that we will be creating the body tag, and now let's go ahead and create our H1 and type some random text, and then I'm just going to paste it right here, copy it, paste it one more time, paste it, paste it, paste it, a total of 6 times, because there are 6 different variations of a heading. So you have already seen the H1. Let me go ahead and change the second one to H2, and now we have this H3 and H4 along with the H5 and along with the H6. So we have a total of 6 different type of headings which we can use in our HTML document. So let's go ahead and preview it in the browser to see how they function. So we are just going to open our index.html by double clicking on it, and it will launch the browser. And as you can see, let me take both of them side by side. So as you can see, the H1 is the largest of all the headings and H6 is the smallest one. So if you want something, if you want to make a heading which is small, you can use H6, and if you want something, if you want a large heading, then you can use H1, and in between as you wish. So these were the heading tags. The syntax is simple. All you need to do is type the opening tag, so for example H1, and then type your content, and then type the closing tag in the same way H2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's go ahead and talk about the paragraphs. This is a standard tag for paragraphs. So it starts with it is represented as a P. So let's go ahead and write something like I love Udemy, it is great, and we are learning HTML. So if I save it and reload this web page, this is a paragraph. So as you can see, we have the headings starting from H1 to H6, and we have this paragraph. So you can write anything you wish in your paragraph. So these were the basic text, how you can interact with the text in HTML. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.